Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naika. Today is another try on haul. Okay guys, so this video is a couple of outfits, going out outfits that I got. It's from two different stores. I think one of them was like Diva Boutique and then the other one was Cutely Covered. So these is just some 5 cute, I think one of them is a jumpsuit and the other 4 dresses that I thought would be cute. You know, summertime is coming. You know, it's fall time. I mean, let me say fall. Springtime is coming. So, you know, you just want a dress that you can walk outside and look cute in, right? Right. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start trying on these dresses. Of course, drop in the comments below which one's your favorite, which ones you like. All right, let's get into outfit number 1. It is 5 in total. Okay. All right guys, so this is just number 1. All right, so this is the style, design, look of the dress. I think I picked the most difficult dress to put on first. You should have seen the struggles, guys, just to get this dress on. All right, so this is dress number 1. Let me just do a little close up so you guys can see. This is like the colors and how it is. Just do a slow back up. All right. I think I really picked the most difficult dress. I could just imagine trying to take it off. So this is dress number 1. All right guys, so let me get on to outfit number 2. I'll be back. All right guys, so this is just number 2. This is how it looks. All right, so I like the fact that this has like a cold shoulder. Right, it comes up this way. I have my necklace on, right? And then it's like very form fitted. It has the little ties at the bottom. Has the ties at the bottom that you guys can see. All right, time for the next one. All right guys, so this is outfit number 3. So this is a cute little tropical dress that I saw and that I loved. I was like, oh my God, this is so pretty. It's different, it's out of the ordinary. I mean, look at the pattern on the dress, like the tropical vibes. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I love how it hugs and it fits right here. That's what's winning me over. Something different, you know? That's what I like about it. Yeah, guys, so let me just get a little close up for you guys. All right, get to the next one. Okay, guys, so this is outfit number 5. Flowy dress that I saw and that I fell in love with. It actually comes with the string in the back for you to tie it and tighten it so that way it doesn't move or go anywhere. But I love the color. It's royal blue. It's very pretty. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. It's so nice. It's different. It's out of the ordinary. I can't wait to wear it. I'm excited about it. Like I said, it's different. It's out of the ordinary. It's like, yes. All right. Hope you guys like this one too. All right, so I'm gonna get to the last one, which is a jumpsuit. I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the jumpsuit. I have to hold it and pin it because of the simple fact that it moves. Right, so this is what it looks like in a close. This is the material of it. It's so pretty. It's so nice. It's different if you walk back. All right, really pretty. Really classy. Oh my goodness, guys, you can't go wrong It's such a classy jumpsuit, I have to hold it. Right, so just to show you guys what it looks like on a close up. I love it. They said you have fun with it, you know. I know personally me, I'm gonna pin it because of the simple fact that I don't want anything to be an oopsie and fall out. Right, so I would pin it right here. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this try on haul. There's so much more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for you get notified anytime I post another video. Next try on haul is coming up on the 10th of next month. All right, enjoy. Bye.